Hey guys, got to do a little bit of hand sanding on the edges of this slab, both sides of it, a little bit of bark inclusion on the other side I got to knock off, and then this should be done, ready to deliver to the client. So we're going to get that started now. Try to knock down the high sides here a little bit. They prefer to keep the feel of the curl in the edge. We could hit it with a power sander, but it would flatten out. It would still give you the look, but you wouldn't have the texture that they want to kind of protect. You know, they want to retain it. Power grinder out a little bit. We got a kind of a gnarly section here, either from the mill or just from being handled. But we're gonna just knock it down real quick. Okay guys, just a quick kiln update. Had a customer drop off some stuff today. About a dozen slabs of cottonwood or aspen maybe. And then we have a bunch of other stuff that can go in along with it. And somebody else is dropping some stuff off tomorrow as well. We'll see what that's going to bring. We got a ton of stuff to dry still. Another update is we want to open this wall up, put French doors in. Currently the kiln has taken up all of this bay, and we got about 3 feet of room to get equipment in and out, so that's not going to work. So we're going to probably put in a 5-foot French door. In here is the non-load bearing wall. It should be real simple, just cut it in, install after we get it framed up. But prior to that, to clean up and organize this fiasco, we have a bunch of stickers. That is going to be our new dining room table. It's going to be amazing. Oh, it looks so good. And then we have some 13-foot curly maple. There's about 3 of those slabs left and something underneath here. I'm not really sure what that is. It might be some more maple. Random slab. And let's take a look back here. So this all has to get cleaned up as well. It's on my to-do list. Just trying to find time in daylight.